Hi there, my beloved children. Missing you. You're getting the messages, we are sending it to you again and again. We are going to carry on sharing during this quietude of the time that the humdrum of activity in the school is feeling so empty. But school is waiting with fat, charged up with the energy, teacher, infrastructure, waiting for you to come down, and so that we can first give a big hug, share some candy, and have fun. Fun in learning. Just like you, have you realized everybody loves playing cricket? Grandma, Papa, Mama, elder sister, elder brother, younger sister, younger brothers, everybody, even 4-year-old loves to hold a bat, have fun. And our concept today, I'm going to give it to you something very powerful. I have been using it many decades. And whatever you see in Victoria Kids, shh, I'm telling you a secret. Don't let it out, keep it to yourself. And give it to others when you want to help someone. Okay? What is it? I'm talking to you about something which starts with the alphabet G. G for Ghosh, no. G for gratitude. G for giving. G for goal. G for gap. What is this gap? I will just talk about it. G for God. Many people are very chary about word God. Okay, call nature, unified field, manifestation, cosmic energy, any name you call. Jal, pani, tanni, water, you in French, everything means water. That cosmic energy is you, the consciousness. So what am I going to talk about today is how can you make things come true, whatever you want in your life. Whatever you want. A perfect result, 56 out of 56, 45 out of 45. How do you do that? First principle. Whatever you want in your life, you have to give it first. You say, all right, I'm ready to give. How do I give? I have to have it now. How do I have it now? I'm showing you the secret of having, which I've been using for a long time. Be still, be silent. Remember this principle. The ocean, the waves are like you and me. We are playing, having fun, talking, and chatting, and doing surfing, and mobile, and talk, and sending messages, Instagram, Facebook. That's wave-like activity. But notice when the wave becomes silent, wave becomes calm, still, silent, still, wave becomes one with the ocean. So you and I, when we sit still, silent, you become one with this beautiful, powerful energy of the nature. Can you imagine this cosmic, the stars, the planets, the earth, the rainforest, the desert, the ocean, the mountain, Everest, everything because of that one energy. Tidal wave, hurricane, tsunami, and calm ocean is bubbling with energy. If you can tap into that energy, you can do anything. So how do you do that? Be still, be silent. Now, when you're still and silent, lots of thoughts keep coming. It's calming down. So to calm it down, just follow the breath. Breathing in, just be aware of the breathing in, feeling coolness, breathing out, feeling warm. That's it. Now, thoughts are coming in, thoughts are going out. You will certainly find there is a gap between the earlier thought and the next thought. That's the G for gap. I told you, I'll explain to you. G for goal. Have a clear-cut goal. What am I going to ask for? It could be a perfect friendship. It could be money. It could be good health for myself, for my grandma, for my mother, my father, my friend, my husband, my wife, my neighbor, my friend in USA. Anything. And if you can send an SMS to US, you can send also energy to heal. We have done it again and again. So find that gap. Being silent, being still, step 1. Step 2, find that gap. And when you find that gap, plant the seed of your goal. Step 3. Step 1, be silent and still. Being quiet. To get to that, following the breath. That's step 1 only. As you become silent and still, feeling very peaceful and calm, you will find. However restless a person you may be, you can't be more restless than monkey like me. I used to be very restless. You will find the gap. You will. Plant the seed. What is that seed? The goal. Find that what you want to attain. Plant that goal. I want this. Whatever that thing is. You could think about iPhone 13 also. I'm leaving it to you. What you want. Have a clear-cut goal. Whole day think about it, think about it, think about it, and then plant that seed. Once you plant the seed, now you've planted the seed in this unified field, the nature, which is actually you. You are the one. Just think, if you are not conscious, unconscious or coma, you can't listen to me, hear me. That consciousness is that energy of the nature. Now you planted that seed, what you want. So silent, find the gap, plant the seed. And then the 4th principle is be grateful for the result that is going to come. Gratitude to the nature. Though we believe in God, God, or call it supreme unified field. Scientists call it unified field. Be still, be silent. You know how? I'll give you an example. How did it work? 4 steps clear? I will repeat it. But before that, you know, sometimes you're trying to recollect a name. What was her name? What was her name? What was her name? Not coming. Or you're writing a question paper and answer. You know, I have studied it, I understood, but it's gone. And out of frustration, trying to recollect, is like the wave. It's like lots of thoughts. You suddenly give up. After frustration, you become calm. And you become calmer. And you say, oh, it is not coming. Forget it. You become calm. When you said forget it, you're not chasing anymore for what was the answer. And as you become calm, suddenly that answer, that name comes. Tissue comes to your mind. You say, yeah, I got it. Happened to you? It happens to everyone. This is exactly the process I'm trying to now bring it to crystallization. Being silent and being still. Find a gap between the thoughts. Plant the seed, which is your goal or achievement. And then be grateful for the gratitude. Gratitude is for, I know it is going to come. Expect it, but don't chase it. If you try to chase it, what will happen? You will slip out of the gap. Don't chase it. When is it going to come? How do you not chase it? It's very simple. You know, we all have planted seeds in the garden. You plant seeds, no? Seeds for flowers, seeds for anything, let's say coriander leaf, dhania patta or chili or anything. You plant the seed, you prepare the soil, you water it, make sure there's enough sunlight. Now you plant the seed and put a little covering of soil on top of that. And now, gratitude, expectation is You know it is going to come in 2, 3, 4, 5 days, isn't it? It will come out after 2, 3, 5, depending on the seed, maybe 10 days. It will come, 2 leaves, and then slowly it starts to grow. How did it come? Same principle. I'm telling you now to utilize it for making your dreams come true. Certain to come true and more successful you will become when you follow few things. Very simple. Number 1 is being truthful. Being truthful, always, not even in a joke, telling a lie. Number 2, lead a life of how can I help you? How can I help others? Not selfish, but selfless. Help the other. Number 3, find answers, inquiry, research. Find. And number 4 is being this, still, silent. Now repeating the first 4 steps. Be still, be silent first. Second, find the gap in your thoughts. Follow the breath, feel the coolness, follow the breath, feel the warmth. You have to be still, being silent, smiling face. And you will find your mind from turbulent state will come to thought little less, little less, little less. And as you find a gap between the 2 thoughts, plant the seed. Just plant it. How do you plant it? Just think of it. Think of that seed. I'm planting it. What was that? Let's say I want an iPhone 13. Or I want to be truthful. Please help me. You're telling the nature, I want to be truthful. Plant the seed in the gap. And so, being still, find the gap, goal, plant the goal. And now gratefully expect it is going to come. And then, just like when you plant that coriander chili seed or the flower seed, and you forgot about it, you check on it after 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Go and see, is it happening? Just like that, just forget about it. Have total faith. When I have asked this nature, how can it not happen? And you become the captain of your soul, the master of your destiny, by choosing what you want in your life and make it happen. Great academic expectation, perfect friendship, great amount of comforts in life, and you will suddenly find, just like you want chocolate, you got a cupboard full of chocolate, you suddenly find you have no desire for the chocolate. You will find no desire for that fun. Once in a while, when the fun is there with the family and friend, go ahead and have fun. You become the captain of your destiny. Good luck.